Hello guys, I am going to tell you how you can add a password type thing in your app. So first I will take any app, like I will start a new project only. So let's write its name as password. Okay, and then let's open it. This is open, and then now first thing in this app we have to take a layout which is vertical arrangement, and then make it full parent, and then this also full parent, and then let's make the alignment of the inner things to center, and then let's add a first thing we have to take a label. Then let's take a normal text box, and let's take a button. So this text will be equal to write the password. Okay, and then let's increase the text size to 20, and then text color to yellow, and then text background color to cyan. Okay, and then let's take this text box, and then the hint is here, so we have to change the hint to password. Okay, and then what the hint is I will show you in the when we will run the app. Okay, when we will run the app I will show you what is the hint. And then this button 1 should be the open thing, open app. Okay, done. Now this will change the button thing also a bit rounded, and then text color should be, we'll use the same we can say pattern of everything over here, and this should be, we can change, no. Okay, then this is done, and the app is also done. Okay, you can say the one thing we have to do is that we have to close this vertical arrangement, and we can add another arrangement like vertical arrangement again. Okay, and let's just make it let's add a label over here, size 25, and then this vertical arrangement 2 should be the alignment should be center, and then center. Let's go to the label, and the label text should be let's say you have opened the app. This should be the text, and let's change the background color of this vertical arrangement to, let's take it as blue, and this text label text should be yellow, and then let's just close it and make it invisible, and this vertical arrangement 1 should be visible. Now let's go to this control block, and then we have to choose this block which is if then else, and we have to go to the designer, and let's take one more thing which is in the user interface, which is notifier. So let's just go back again, and then let's let's see that when button 1 click, we have to put this if then block, and then if the let's go in the math first, and then if this blocks, we have to take this equal block, and then this we have to go in the text, and then text to choose the text. This text box 1 dot text is equal to this text, means it is our password, like let's say SUBSCRIB, subscribe, and actually I wrote subscribe. Okay, this should be subscribe. It's done. And do subscribe our channel for more videos. Yes, so the subscribe, then let's say this should be vertical arrangement, should be visible. Okay, let's duplicate this, keep it over here only, and vertical arrangement 2, let's just take this, then logic true. Okay, this should be false, vertical arrangement 1, and then this should be true. Yes, done. So this is done. Else give a message. Okay, give let's say show alert notice. Okay, this one, and then let's say the text should be see the text, wrong password. Okay, the text should be wrong password. Done. And then test first, and then let's see what happens.
Guys, this is the app, and let's write the password as